welcome to day 8 of the Christmas Cheer 2024 Advent Calendar from Simply Stated Designs. Today is not only an exciting day because we get another opening, but it's my husband and my 40th anniversary. So it's been a spectacular day. All right, let's dig in. Let's see what day 8 is going to bring us today. Ooh, I see something fun there. Well, more feel than see. All right. White 12 by 12 paper and another wreath. I was thinking it was going to be a project, but I'm thinking this is just to fill our stash. And when can't you use white 12 by 12 paper? And Simply Stated does have the best 12 by 12 paper. I'm just saying. I can't wait for 9. Every day has just been amazing. We will see you tomorrow. And please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying my channel. Take care and have a wonderfully crafty day. La, 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 la.